What's the meaning of craftswoman? Craftswoman. Craftswoman.
Craftswoman. Craftswoman. A craftswoman is a female artisan who specializes in creating handmade objects using traditional techniques. The term is often used to describe women who work in fields such as pottery, weaving, woodworking, and other artisanal crafts. Craftswomen are skilled at working with their hands, and they take pride in producing unique and high-quality items that are both functional and beautiful. In today's society, craftswomen often combine traditional techniques with modern technology to create contemporary works of art that showcase their skills and creativity.